Okay, today I'm going to show you how to calibrate your machine for a straight beam transducer. And we'll be using a DSC block. Notice you got a groove on this side drill hole on this side. Standard DSC block, always 1 inch in diameter. So we're going to go through machine calibrations. Notice our velocity is set at 2.33, so that's good there. Range is at 10-inch display. We're going to go into probe angle, change it to 0. Okay. Now I'm going to stick some coupling down. Put the transducer on and see what our readings or indications are reading. We go to the display delay, move that over a bit. So I'm taking that back off. See, that's the initial bang there. Bump that over. And now I'm going to move my indications until I get a 1-inch back reflection. And that's what you see there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8 of them moving over just a little bit, so every single one lines up on the 1-inch mark. And then from there, I'm going to adjust my gate. So I'm going to go gate 1. I'm going to give the start position closer to that first indication. And you see my display reading there is 80. Gets me at 80% display height. I'm also going to move gate 2 out of the way because I don't need that. Oops, let's see, gate 2. Move gate A back. Move gate 2 over. Let's get out of the way there. So I want to read 80% is what my back reflection's at. So I'm 81, 82. And notice my dB on that is 4.8. So if I was to do calibrations or do a reference on it, 4.8 is my reference dB for a straight beam. And that's all it is to it. Make sure I got the right angle, make sure I got a 1-inch block, and make sure my back reflection's at 1-inch increments.